Realme X3 Super Zoom launch confirmed for May 26. Realme seems to be sitting on a lot of new products due to the ongoing situation. The company is now ready to show them off and is hosting 3 launch events next week. Realme X50 Pro Player Edition, along with 7 other devices, launches in China, and the Realme TV and Realme Watch are set to make their India debut on May 25. Well, the very next day, Realme X3 Super Zoom will officially be unveiled in Europe. The official Realme Europe Twitter account revealed that the Realme X3 Super Zoom launch date is May 26. It also shared a slew of posters teasing the camera prowess of the upcoming device. There is currently no information on whether Realme will only be taking the wraps off a Super Zoom variant or there exists a regular variant as well. Realme has also set up a dedicated landing page for the X3 Super Zoom, but it doesn't shine a light on any of the upcoming features. It only confirms the presence of a 60x digital zoom-supported periscope camera and an astrophotography mode that will be similar to the one seen on the Pixel 4 series. Realme India's CEO Madhav Sheth shared a cool astrophoto sample from the device a couple of weeks ago on Twitter. Realme X3 Super Zoom, specs and features. Alleged Realme X3 Super Zoom real-life images and specs were posted online earlier this week. The image above is from the same leak, which revealed the device with a dual-cam punch hole on the front and a quad-camera setup on the rear. You will find a 6.6-inch Full HD Plus LCD display with a 120Hz refresh rate aboard this device. The fingerprint sensor sits on the edge and doubles up as the power button. The Realme X3 Super Zoom will be powered by the Snapdragon 855 Plus, coupled with up to 12GB of RAM and 256GB of built-in storage. In the camera department, you will see a 6.4MP ISO CELLGW1 leading the charge. The quad camera system will also include an 8MP f2.3 ultra-wide lens with a 119-degree FOV, an 8MP periscope camera with 5x optical and 10x hybrid zoom. A 2MP macro lens, which is okay, rounds up the kitty. As for the dual camera punch hole on the front, the device will host a primary 3.2MP IMX616 selfie lens and a secondary portrait or ultra-wide lens. Realme X3 Super Zoom will come equipped with a 4200 mAh battery with 30W fast charging support. This is a downgrade from 50W SueprVOOC fast charging support found aboard its predecessor, Realme X2 Pro. So, are you ready to check out a horde of new Realme products?